Hi, my dear students. We will continue the lesson coal and petroleum here. So, in the last class, we will discuss about coal, history of the coal, and what are the functions of the coal, and little bit about products of the coal. So, here. So, in the products of the coal, we will discuss that three types of the byproducts of coal. So, the coal is digging out from the mining process and allowed to heat, we will get some of the byproducts. So those are, the first one, the byproduct coke, second byproduct coal tar, so third one coal gas. So these are the three byproducts of the coal. So respectively coke, coal tar and coal gas. Here coke we can see in solid form. So in the solid form, but however coal tar we can see in liquid state, and moreover coal gas is in gaseous form. Now so here we will discuss one by one. First, that is regarding coke. So in yesterday's class, I will show one diagram. So I think I will show again here. Just observe the diagram here. This is coke. This is coke. Just observe the structure of the coke. Here we can elaborate some properties of the coke. The first property, that is it is black in color. So it is black in color and tough like stone. It is tough and porous. Just observe here on the surface of the coke we can have some pores like structure. So it is tough, porous and black substance. Next property, it is a pure form of carbon. Coke is a pure form of carbon. That means by the coke we can use this coke in combustion. So coke is a good form of combustion here. Next uses. Regarding the uses, it is used, coke is used as a reducing agent in the extraction of metals. So coke is used in the extraction of metals. So in extraction of metals, coke is used as a reducing agent. I can write here reducing agent. Coke is used as a reducing agent. Now, so this is regarding coke. Black color, tough, porous. It is used in the extraction of metals as reducing agent. Again, second use, it is also used in the manufacture of steel. The components of the steel, in the components of steel, coke is also used. So this is regarding the first byproduct, that is coke. So now here we will discuss about the second byproduct, that is coal tar. Just observe the diagram here. So in the barrels we can observe a thick liquid. That thick liquid, black color thick liquid is called, that thick liquid is coal tar. And the second property, it is having unpleasant smell. By that unpleasant smell we can identify coal tar. It is in the liquid state. Moreover, by the many researchers, we can point out the thing, that is, it is a mixture of 200 and more substance, 200 plus substances. That means coal tar is, that means it's by the coal tar we can prepare number of substances. It is a mixture of more than 200 substances. So if you come to the uses, first I will discuss what the exactly coal tar is used in which industries. Products obtained from coal tar are used as starting materials for manufacturing various substances. That means for the preparation of many substances or various substances, the starting materials, they are prepared by coal tar. So I will write one by one here. So uses, the first use, it is used in the preparation of synthetic dyes. Second use, it is used in explosives. By the unpleasant smell, coal tar is used in the manufacture or the preparation of perfumes. In the synthesis of plastic, so in the preparation or in the synthesis of the plastic, again we can use coal tar. Paints or dyes, so the starting materials in paints, that is coal tar is used, and it is used as a photographic material. So it is used as a photographic material also. At last use, you can observe naphthalene balls. So in the synthesis, in the manufacture of naphthalene, coal tar is used, or coal tar is used as a primary substance or starting material in the production of following things, that is synthetic dyes, explosives, perfumes, plastic, paints, photographic materials, and naphthalene balls. So this is regarding the second thing, that is coal tar. It is a second byproduct. The first byproduct coke, and the second byproduct, that is coal tar. It is in the liquid state. Okay. Now we will move towards the third one, that is coal gas. The third byproduct, coal gas. So just observe the diagram here. Here we can see where the coal gas is prepared, that is coal gas plant. So when the coke is heated, in the preparation of coke, that is coal to get coke. So right here we are, after collecting the coal, if you prepared coke with the help of coal, in that process a gas is liberated. That gas is called coal gas. So I will write here, coal gas is obtained, that means it is coal gas. Here it refers to, it is obtained. So it is obtained during the process of coal to coke, coal to get coke. So in the conversion of coal to coke, so gas is liberated, that gas is called coal gas. Okay, this, so just observe here, in the gas plant preparation we can collect the gaseous form. That gaseous form of byproduct of the coke is called coal gas. What the main use of coal gas is, it is used as a fuel. So it is used as a fuel in many industries. That means in the industries, so many industries, we can observe the fuel. It is used for the heating purpose. That heating purpose fuel is nothing but coal gas. It is prepared or it is obtained during the process of coal to get coke. So this is the third one. Okay. So now here we can see one more important thing regarding the coal. Just focus here. Here coal gas is a mixture of, hydrogen and methane, carbon monoxide and other gases. Here coal gas is a composition of hydrogen, methane, carbon monoxide and other gases. It was earlier used as a domestic lighting fuel before natural gas come into use. That means before the natural gas, in the domestic purpose, that is for the lighting purpose, coal gas is used human beings, but after the manufacture or synthesis of the natural gas, the coal gas is not used for the lighting purpose. Nowadays it is used in the industries as a fuel that is located near the coal processing plants. So this is a simple information regarding coal gas. Now, so once again I will show you which are the three forms of the coke. So here this is the first thing, that is coal, and this is the first solid byproduct called coke. It is coke. So it is a liquid form of the byproduct, coal tar. So here we can observe the use of the coal tar. The last thing, that is here solid form of byproduct coal is coke, and liquid form it is coal tar, and gaseous form of the coal is coal gas. Okay, here in the different manufacturing of the metals are used in the iron extraction. So coke is used in dyes, plastics, drugs, perfumes, naphthalene balls. It is used as a primary material, that is coal tar, and coal gas is used as a fuel in the industries. Okay, students. So I think so. This completion of the class. Whoever the new students are observing our channel, for more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification earlier to you. Thank you.